And welcome to my channel. This is Tin. Today we're gonna learn MySQLi. So you just open your browser and type php.net and MySQLi and hit enter. Okay, so here we have the connection. Just click it here. Okay, and just copy this one and paste inside in your project file. Okay, so here are the local host. I will teach you this one as well. So what the difference between the IP of this IP? Okay, 127.0.0.1. Okay, so if you read the documentations, it says it highly recommended to us. We use always use 127.0.0.1. Okay, because it's this local host connect to a unique socket, and this one connect to a TCP IP address. So I will use this one, and this one as well you can use, you are free to. Okay, so I have pasted it here, and username, my username is root, and password is nothing. Okay, and here are the database name. You just open localhost and php my admin, hit enter. So you just it take time. Okay, just this is my php tutorial database. So you just type it here, php underscore tutorial. Okay, so first we need to, so this is the object of MySQLi, and we call the property of this class MySQLi, which is the client info. Okay, so it returns the MySQL info. Okay, just refresh your browser and you can see here, this is the ID of MySQL, and this is the MySQL LND. Okay, this is the property. I don't know what is this, but just you need to know this property. Okay, so the next one is just copy this one. Next version is the version info. Okay, just paste it, which versions you are using. Okay, so for that version, ver MySQLi, the method is server info. Okay, this one, server info. So control S for save. Okay, and this is for client info and refresh. So you can see here I'm using the version which is the MariaDB of MySQL, and the current version of MySQL is 5.7. Okay, so you need to know as well this one. Okay, very important. So the other method, which is the MySQLi, and the method is the ping. Okay, and if ping is okay. Okay, so the connection is okay, otherwise ELSE else. Just made I will make the mistake because it written the boolean values, control X if. Okay, and just paste it here and echo, please check your internet connection. Okay, and control S for save. So internet connection is okay because so I have connected to Ethernet. Okay, so the next method, just comment it as well. Okay, and the next method is the connect error. Okay, so it MySQLi and connect error, this one. So this one also return the boolean value, so control X. Okay, and just paste it here. So if you are you have an error, it returns just echo, please 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 check MySQL username, password, and database DB. Okay, if you everything is okay, echo connected, control S for save, and now refresh. so it says connected, and when you just wrong password, okay, and you it says error message access denied. Okay, and when you just wrong database name, it here control S and it says unknown database. Okay, so these are the property which will very important. Okay, so just comment it this one as well. Okay, so now the other method is the query method. Okay, just MySQLi, and this is the query. Okay, and here you can just write your queries. Okay, so select, okay, MySQL queries you can write here. Select all from table name. So inside this database, I don't know which table it has, I think user. Okay, so what we want to do, that just type a users table name, users. Okay, so this is the query method. Okay, just store inside data. Okay, so it returns mm, this is the object as well, so just copy and okay, just query query, this is the query. So we want to count the row, how many rows inside, so that's the function which is echo echo the query, and mm, num underscore rows. Okay, so control S to save, and now refresh. So it says a 1 because when you just click user, it says a 1 a user here. Okay, so this is the method, this is the object of the query. Okay, object of object. Okay, so the next property of query, just copy this one. Okay, and dollar data is equals to a query, and the function is the fetch fetch row. Okay, a fetch row, and when just print r. Okay, and data was the data, control S for save, and now see what it does. Okay, so you can see here there are 0 index have one ID, and 1 index have the stint, 2 index have the password, and 3 index have the mm, the city. Okay, so uh, so if you wanted to get the values from there, so you need to write I mean you just need to write a while loop. Okay, so I want to put a while loop it here. Okay, and this is the while loop, and just put it here, and put the data dollar rows as this one. Just copy this one, actually just control X and paste it here. Okay, and you just control X and put it here. You can put any variable name it here. Okay, so data as a key and value. So why it's returning error? Okay, just data key and value. Okay, just put it this one. I don't know, just minute. Put a while loop. Okay, put a equal sign, and put this query, or just put query. Okay, and just call the method which is fetch fetch row. Okay, and this is the rows, so dollar rows. Okay, we want to get the all the values, so 0. Okay, just copy. Okay, and paste it here, and paste it here. I think 4 values, 1, this is 2, and this is 3 index. Control S for save, and now we need to echo echo, just copy or copy and paste it here, paste it here, and paste as well it here. Control S for save, and now you can see here undefined variable data 3420. okay, just remove. Okay, control S for save, and now you can see here all the data is coming from here. Okay, so this is the select query. Okay, and you can get one more way, just copy it here. Okay, if you don't know to put this index, so just copy. Okay, and okay, just a minute, just copy and paste it here, and just call the fetch uh, the method which is fetch ASSOC. Okay, and here you need to write the name which is the ID. Okay, this is for username. Okay, user name, and this is for password. Okay, and this is for city. All the way, all this column is from here. Okay, ID, username, password, and cities. So control S for save, and just comment this one. So now we need to run this file. So you can see here the same results is it gives us. Okay, so the next thing, next property of MySQLi, just comment it here. Okay, just copy this MySQLi. Okay, the next is the thread ID. Okay, just paste it here. And the next property is MySQLi thread ID. So thread ID, I think this one. Okay, just copy, control S, and just refresh. Okay, so every time it's a change. Okay, the thread ID, and you just thread ID stored inside. And the another method which is the MySQLi is the kill. If have the thread method which is invalid. Okay, so just paste it here, and just kill method. Okay, and pass the process ID. Process ID is the thread ID. Okay, control S. So this is the method which kill the your process. So F5 for refresh, you can see it here. Okay, so the next property is the host info. Okay, so dollar $mysqli and the host info. So what is this host info is, just put echo and to check host info. So host info is we are connected through a TCP. So it tells us your IP, your host name is this one, and you are connected to a TCP IP. So this is the host info. Okay, so these are the properties, very important, so you need to know. Okay, so the next is the MySQL close. Okay, this property is also a dollar MySQLi. This property is also more important. Okay, so which is the close this function. Okay, so when all the data you are faced, you are select queries and all the things, you have to do it here. And after that you need to always, you just need to close your MySQL database. This is for a security purpose, we will discuss further. So this is my tutorial based on the MySQL class, and we have created the object of that, and we have lots of property, we have seen it here. So if you like this video, and I will tell you one more thing it here, so you can read the documentations it here. Okay, which is the MySQLi, and you can get the more informations about it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will come with a new thing next time. Till then, bye and take care.